Hello, my name is Douglas Walker. Today we will be checking out how to adjust our font and display size. It really is fantastic that we have the ability to enlarge our font or text size, as well as icons and other items on our display. And we can do this through our entire device. I tell you, this is great because sometimes all we might need is for our text or our icons to be just a little bit larger. Now, to turn on or adjust our font and display size, we will need to head to our Settings app. And our Settings app is right here on our home screen. So we'll just tap our Settings app here. Great, our Settings app is open, and our font and display settings are right here within our accessibility settings. So we'll go ahead and just touch our accessibility button here. Yeah, as we scroll down, we will find that our first two items here under our display settings just so happen to be our font and our display size settings. So let's jump right in and check each one of these out. We'll start here with our font size settings. So we'll just tap to open font size here. Great, our font settings have opened, and we have been presented with some sample text here in the center of our screen. And our sample text will demonstrate how all of our text currently appears throughout our entire device. Now, just below our sample text here, we have been given an adjustable or slider bar for adjusting our font size here. So let's do it. We will adjust our text size right here. Now, to adjust it, we have a little bubble on our slider bar that we'll touch, and as we slide or drag this bubble to the right, we notice that our screen fonts all enlarge, and then as we slide back to the left, we'll notice that they get smaller for us. But today is all about making text larger, right? So we'll slide it to the right, and we'll leave it about right there. And there you go. We can see right here in our sample text what a big difference just a bit of enlargement can make here. And hey, that is pretty great. Okay, let's check out how to change our display size settings as well. So we'll just touch our back button here in the bottom left corner of our screen and head back to our main accessibility settings here. So great, and here we are. So we will just tap our display size button here, and we'll tap right here. Yeah, and this is going to work very much like our font size settings. We have another sample area here in the middle of our screen, and you guessed it, we have been given another adjustable bar for changing the size of all of our icons and, of course, other items across our device as well. So let's check it out. Again, we'll just touch our little bubble in our slider here, and as we slide to the right, we'll notice that our icons get larger, and of course, as we slide to the left, there they go smaller again. But let's make them larger here for us, and we'll stop about right there. And yeah, there you go. I know, how great is that, right? We can already see what a big difference changing our font and our display size can make right here in our settings. But how about we check it out within a couple of apps? And so we'll just tap to close our settings here. Okay, so how about we check it out in Google Play here? So we'll just tap our Google Play app, and we can see right away that all of our text size is so much larger and so easier to see for us here. We'll go ahead and close Google Play and head quickly over here to Chrome, and a wonderful web browsing experience with larger text for all of our articles here. And hey, how great is that? Like we said, it's pretty easy to see that having the ability to change our font and display size across our entire device can be a huge game changer for users with low vision. And I tell you, it can really help to reduce our eye fatigue throughout the day. Again, my name is Douglas Walker, and this is just the first in a series of videos on how to make using your phone just a bit easier. Learn how to turn on features designed specifically for people with low vision or blindness. You'll find the rest of this series on the Hadley website at hadley.edu. Hadley is a nonprofit that offers practical help on a wide range of topics. And guess what? It's totally free of charge. So head on over to get started, and I'll see you there.